got the smart washer from Durst, the DSW123. Here it is. This is the big boy with the biggest sink tub. I'll talk about that. What is it? It's a clever way of now cleaning your equipment, your parts from grease, oil and carbon without using toxics, without using any abrasive or chemicals. This is all done by natural work between microbes. So how does it work? It works on, like I said, the microbes and dissolving that grease in terms of lifting it, not actually diluting it. So it comes again with the microbes built into the cloth system, as well as the SW4 mixture, which is the Osjuice Intelligent Solution. With that combination of that, you'll have a mixture that will dilute everything. You don't have to wear gloves. You can actually use your own hands. You won't have grease on your fingers. It's just another level of cleaning your equipment. It's been used by 95,000 people around the world. It can't be wrong. It doesn't have any requirements for OH&S or the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency. It's all ends up being a dirty water of pretty much carbon dioxide and water when you're finished with it. It's on page 26 of our Durst catalogue. Check it out there. So this is the DSW123. Now it comes as basically a standard rack at the top here, and this is the super sink with a trolley on the bottom. We can show you now. That particularly is the whole box and dice. You can have a cover you put on the top of it as well. Now how it works is quite simple. It works with a mixture of the obviously the microbes, which are located in the 5 levels of the filters. There's 4 white and 1 blue. They contain the microbes. They mix with the Osjuice SW4, which contains 100 litres in here, which goes through a continuous pump of 19 litres per minute. It's quite a good directional spray on that. It works extremely well. So what does it do? It doesn't dissolve the grease, oil and carbon. It actually lifts it off. It eats it away. So it eats grease and oil and it doesn't actually dissolve it. So it's a very clever concept where you don't have to worry about the disposing of the mixture afterwards. So the end result, when you actually clean your parts, you're ending up with a water and carbon dioxide mix in here, and the parts are all spotlessly clean. So this is a very clever way of cleaning your equipment. There'll also be a bike rack. I will show you in other videos how to clean your bikes, including electric bikes. We're also going to be doing a demonstration on the full installation of how to set it up and cleaning some parts. Comes with 4 20-litre containers of the Osjuice. It needs 80 to start it off, and then 100 is what the capacity will take. All you do is you use it to clean your parts, and then as you do, you peel off each layer every week until it stops 50 microns of particles through those filters, and it works brilliantly. It's used by the military installations. It's used by major car companies, industrial workshops. You can use it to clean bikes. We'll show you that in another video. So the options are the standard tub. This is the super sink, and you can get a trolley as well, which you can wheel around. It comes with zip-up covers to keep it clean and dry from dust. It also, size-wise, we're looking at 1,194 millimeters in length. We're talking in height 1,067 millimeters, and the width is 965. If you need to put it somewhere, you get those measurements. There's a 100-litre capacity of the liquid, as I said. You wait about 10 minutes to warm it up. It goes to 40 to 46 degree temperature, and you're good to go to start cleaning. So you basically have a brush on here, which cleans the parts, and the actual nozzle here. They'll both be such an easy way of cleaning those components and stacking them with it, re-draining through and re-pumping back through again for those components. Also, if you want, you can add an apple scent to the actual mixture to give it a nice fragrance. And it also is so simple to just put the zip up the cover when you're finished, and everything's drained right through again, storing in here for next time to use. Toggle switch on and off, and the switch, and there's a low battery warning light that comes on with the evaporation over a few weeks or months of the liquid you top up. 95,000 people around the world are using this system, from major car dealerships and companies, industrial workshops, and the military. So it's a very high quality piece of equipment and a very clever design. So if you want something which is a high quality industrial cleaner for grease, oil, for car parts and carbon, look no further than Durst with the DSW123 Smart Washer. This is one incredible piece of technology and it's available now. Check out the website below and check out the links in the description field. And any questions, don't hesitate to call Durst here in Sydney. Thank you for watching another Durst product overview and we'll see you in the next video.